New species discovery, Arisema siahense. Core identification, scientific name, Arisema siahense. Common genus. It belongs to the Arisema genus, commonly known as cobra lilies or jack in the pulpit. Discovery authority. The discovery was made and authenticated by the Botanical Survey of India, BSI. Geographic location. Region. Found in the Siaha district of Mizoram, India. Habitat. This region is part of the Indo-Burma biodiversity hotspot, known for its rich and unique flora. The lead scientists. The species was formally described and named by Rabi Shankar Singh Gupta, a botanist with the Central National Herbarium BSI. Dr. Sudhanshu Sekhar Dash, a senior scientist and head of the headquarters at the Botanical Survey of India, Kolkata. Discovery timeline and details. Date of publication. The formal description was published on January 28, 2026 in the international journal, Nordic Journal of Botany. Expedition period. The scientists conducted floristic expeditions in the Siaha district of Mizoram between 2023 and 2025. Specific location. They found the plant near Tlangpui Peak at an elevation of approximately 1,563 to 1,617 meters. Naming. The name Siahense was chosen by the scientists to honor the Siaha district and the local communities, specifically mentioning families like the Kumpa family, who have protected these forests for generations. Key characteristics. The plant features a distinct spathe, the hood, and spadix, the central spike, which in this species shows unique morphological traits. This distinguishes it from other cobra lilies in the northeast region. Date of concern. This discovery was prominently highlighted in scientific reports and news bulletins on February 26, 2026. Statistical data, India and world. India is home to approximately 11% of the world's recorded floral species, with Northeast India hosting nearly 50% of the total flowering plant species found in the country. Globally, there are over 170 recognized species of Arisema, and the Botanical Survey of India documents an average of 200 to 250 new plant species and records annually within Indian borders. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to like and share this video with others. Thank you for watching.